My name is Glenn McGovern. I'm an attorney. I handle motorcycle cases. I'd like to talk to you about 8 things that you should look for when choosing an attorney to handle your motorcycle accident or crash case. One thing is the years of practice. Does he have civil jury trial experience, and how much? You want to make sure that your lawyer has considerable experience in handling not just civil litigation, but in handling jury trials, because handling jury trials involving motorcyclists are very difficult. Even if your attorney doesn't ask for jury trial, they will always ask for jury trial because they feel they have a better chance of zeroing the motorcycle operator because of the inherent prejudice against motorcyclists. I have over 36 years of trial experience and have handled many motorcycle cases. The second thing you want to look at, you want to check, is you can go online and check what's their Martindale-Hubbell rating. That's a rating of other attorneys, of that attorney, so that means a lot. I'm AV rated, which is the highest rating you can get, and I've been AV rated for several years. So check the Martindale-Hubbell rating of your attorney, and that's one thing that you should look at when choosing an attorney. Another thing is jury trial experience. There are a lot of attorneys out there, but very few that have trial experience, very few, even fewer, that have civil jury trial experience. Like I said, most of the time the insurance companies will request a jury trial, so you want to make sure that your attorney can handle civil jury trials. Motorcycle operation experience. You want to make sure your attorney actually has experience with motorcycles. Has he worked on them? Has he ridden them? Does he have a motorcycle endorsement? Has he raced them? Has he competed in them? You'd be surprised how many attorneys have absolutely no experience in riding a motorcycle, don't have a motorcycle endorsement, have never worked on a motorcycle, and it's extremely difficult, if not impossible, for him to deal with all the obstacles that will be thrown at him in litigation, especially in dealing and destroying the insurance company's expert witnesses if he doesn't have a full understanding of motorcycle operations. Another thing you want to consider is the attorney's experience in actually handling motorcycle cases. How many motorcycle cases has he handled? Doesn't matter how many car cases he's handled or truck cases. Motorcycle cases are totally unique, and you want to have an attorney that has actual experience in handling motorcycle cases. Another thing is, what's his experience or his practice doing research on your cases, mainly jury research. We do focus groups on all our cases, especially on our motorcycle cases. We do it to find out the inherent biases and weaknesses of our case and strengths of our case. Very few attorneys actually do focus groups and jury simulations. This is a very valuable tool to use. Been doing focus groups since 1985, and we've changed our technique, refined it since then, but that's a very valuable tool. Ask your attorney, has he ever done a focus group, or does he do focus groups, and does he intend to do one on your cases, on your case, because you deserve that. Another thing is, what's the attorney's experience and knowledge of motorcycle accident reconstruction? Motorcycle accident reconstruction is very important in your case. Most motorcycle cases involve technical data, computations, and a motorcycle expert who has expertise in accident reconstruction. Does your attorney know good experts that are competent and can testify and document how the accident occurred, and can they present that adequately to a jury? The other thing you want to, I believe is a very important thing, is your attorney active in the motorcycle community? In other words, does he belong to ABATE or MAC or the other motorcycle groups like AMA? Is he an active participant? Your attorney, when he goes before that jury, has to believe in your case, in his heart, and be able to explain how you were not at fault in the accident and how the accident occurred. I think it's very important to pick an attorney who's very active in the motorcycle community, knows motorcyclists, and can explain to the jury how that motorcyclist was wronged.